The ADDMOTOR M-330 Electric Trike is a top choice for adults seeking a reliable and comfortable ride, boasting certification for both the trike and its battery, ensuring safety and performance. Powered by a robust 750-watt rear motor, this tricycle offers impressive torque and speed, providing a smooth ride without the risk of startup slippage. Its large-capacity, removable battery allows for an extensive range of up to 85 miles on a single charge, and includes a USB port for convenient device charging on the go. The innovative rear speed differential enhances maneuverability by allowing the rear wheels to turn independently, leading to better handling during turns. Equipped with third-generation mid-axis torque sensing, the trike offers a responsive pedaling experience, improving battery efficiency and extending the riding range. Assembly is straightforward, with the trike arriving mostly pre-assembled, accompanied by clear instructions and tools, ensuring an easy setup process.